Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 GMC Yukon XL Denali. That is running good, so I'll go ahead and take it for a tour. And those LEDs don't really flicker the human eye, that's just a refresh rate of my camera. So it does have the fog lights up front, polished alloy wheels, and auto deploy running boards that come out when you open the doors. And you do have a tow package right there. Entertainment package with 2 rear LCD screens, sunroof. Here you have the second row bucket seats. And there are your headphones. Also, these bucket seats are heated. If you look up there, there's your entertainment package. You have wood trim, and I'll go ahead and show you the VIN right here. Okay. You do have 2 driver presets. 2 and 4-wheel drive. Shade those so you can see them better. Just come up here, you're going to see that it has 27,177 miles on this vehicle. Go ahead and turn this down and we'll close the sunroof so you can see better. But it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And there's your navigation right there. And if you want to see the backup camera, put it in reverse. There we go. Okay, and then you can also go to your video, and then if you want to store your DVDs and your hard drive in there to where you can play media off there, you can. And then here's your disk drive right here. Then you have your heated and cooled front seats. And you got your key fob. There we go. And then you'll have your additional power supplies right here. Cup holders. I'll go ahead and turn this down all the way. And then you have your phone charger right here. Additional power supplies right there. And as you come up above, you've got your sunroof. And as I mentioned, your other entertainment packages. So you have 3 LCD screens in here. This one up front, and then the 2 that suspend from the ceiling. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. But there was an impact here up front that affected from the driver's front quarter panel to the passenger front quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.